Hi, my name is Favor. Welcome to my channel. Today we have a My Paper box. And yet again, my P.O. box decided to put the sticker on front of the package again. I've asked them repeatedly not to do this, and they just keep doing it. So I'm very sorry, but this is how it comes. It comes with this pretty outer packaging. It's always nice and personalized, kind of a little hint as to what's in the box or in the bag. So let's get into this. My paper box is $10 a month, and you will receive, this is the mini, you will receive 3 personalized notebooks every single month, or notepads every month, and you'll receive them in time to use them for that month. Oh, this is so beautiful. Beautiful. Look at this. Comes nicely wrapped in here. I absolutely love this subscription box. These notebooks I have everywhere in my house. I bring them with me to travel so I can, let me open this. So I can leave notes for people in the hotel room, for the staff, for my friends, for my husband, or what, or whatever the case may be. I love these notes. Look at this one. This one says Life with Favor, and it has the nice, what is that, like a flower, a rose, sort of just in the background. Doesn't take away from anything you may be writing on there, but it's just enough you can see it come through. What a beautiful note card to send to somebody. Nice note to go on there. Another one, oh, this one looks like you can make lists on it. It's lined. So beautiful. Absolutely love that. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. And this one, this is the June one, My Paper Box mini subscription. You see the little paper on the front? Look at that one. That is like the world's best grocery list maker. Oh my goodness, it's gorgeous. Let's not walk around the grocery store a million times list. That's amazing. Look at that. Look at all the categories. That is awesome. I really like that. It is absolutely beautiful. You can have it customized, anything you'd like it to say, your name, I don't know, your business name. In my case, this is my channel name, your gift recipient's name. This is excellent. This is a great subscription service for a graduate. And look, there's so many in here. I mean, this is gonna last me, that's gonna at least last me 6 months, maybe a year. This one as well, and like I said, I like to bring them with me when I travel. It's just such a great box. So much fun, filled with personalization. It's the only box made just for you. It is $10 a month. There is a discount code in the description box for you. They have a mini, a grand, and also a children's box. You can also order things from their website, personalized items from their website that actually found quite reasonably priced. So it's certainly something you should check out. I really, really like this. My kids have come around and they're like, oh, I really like that. So I think I'm gonna give the girls, each of my girls, my daughter-in-law's subscription for Christmas, because I think it'll be something they would enjoy. So there you go. They're both teachers, so isn't that awesome? All right, there you go. So go check it out. I hope you do. I will leave everything linked in the description box for you. All right, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye.